You click this because you know something is wrong. You feel it. A slow leak in your bank account and a massive hole in your potential. You are plugged into a system designed to extract your energy and give you nothing back but exhaustion. This isn't about bad luck. This is about 7 specific traps you walk into willingly every single day. Trap number 1 is the morning dopamine loop. Before your feet hit the floor, you've already lost. You flood your brain with other people's success before you've created a single ounce of your own. It cripples your drive. Why build an empire when you can just watch someone else do it for 15 seconds? Quit the morning scroll. Cold turkey. It will hurt. That pain is your brain waking up from the coma. That's just the first chain. The second one is even more dangerous because it disguises itself as safety. Watch part 2. You think that steady paycheck is safety? It's not. It's the most dangerous drug on earth. It kills your ambition slowly. Trap number 2, the salary addiction. They buy your dreams for an hourly rate. You trade 5 days of misery for 2 days of exhaustion. That comfort zone is a beautiful place, but nothing ever grows there. It is a soft grave. Trap number 3, waiting for the right time. There is no right time. The market doesn't care about your feelings. While you wait for permission, someone else is building your idea. Rich people execute, poor people contemplate. You have to jump before you see the landing. If you wait for the map, the territory will change before you start. You need to cut the cord. But to do that, you have to face the people holding you back. Trap number 4 is personal. Watch part 3. You are the average of the 5 people you spend time with. Look around you right now. Are you impressed? Trap number 4, toxic loyalty. You keep friends because of history, but history does not pay the rent. If they aren't growing, they are sinking, and they will grab your ankles to keep from drowning. Burn the bridge. It lights the way forward. You cannot fly if you are holding on to rocks. Now the internal enemy. Trap number 5, the fear of cringe. You are terrified of being judged by people who have built absolutely nothing. That is insanity. Cringe is the price of admission. You have to be willing to look stupid to eventually become rich. Let them laugh. You are building a diamond while they throw stones. But to keep that diamond, you need to understand the math. Trap 6 is a financial lie. Watch part 4. You have been lied to your entire life. They told you save for a rainy day, but the roof is already on fire. Trap number 6, saving your way to wealth. It is mathematically impossible. Inflation eats your savings while you sleep. You cannot save yourself rich. You have to build yourself rich. You need assets, not a savings account. Trap number 7, renting your time. Stop selling your hours. Start owning the machine. Ownership is the only escape. If you don't find a way to make money while you sleep, you will work until you die. That is not a quote. That is a threat. And the final enemy is not the bank or the boss or the government. It is the person in the mirror. Blaming the system is easy. Beating the system is hard. Are you ready to beat it? The final realization is in part 5. The system is rigged? Yes, obviously. So what are you going to do? Cry about it? Complaining is poverty energy. Learning the rules of the rigged game and exploiting them, that is wealth energy. Most people use it's unfair as an excuse to quit. Winners use it as the instruction manual. You are not a victim. You are a player who hasn't learned the controls yet. It's time to pick up the controller. Here is the terrifying truth. No one is coming to save you. Not the government, not your parents. You are entirely alone in this fight. That thought should scare you, and then it should set you free. Now you are awake. The traps are visible. Now we build the escape route. The reconstruction starts in part 6. The pity party is over. You know the traps. You know the game is rigged. Now pick up a shovel. The escape route is not found on a map. It is forged. You have to build the ladder while you climb it. Step 1 of reconstruction. Flip the switch from consumer to producer. Stop watching. Start making. Be the factory, not the customer. If you are not selling, you are being sold. There is no neutral ground. Real building is boring. It is quiet. It is lonely. It doesn't get likes. It gets results. You need 4 hours of deep, painful, focused work every single day. That is the price of freedom. You have the mindset. Now you need the weapons. You need a skill stack that makes you dangerous. Watch part 7. You have the mindset. But a mindset without skills is just a delusion. You cannot fight a war with empty hands. You need a skill stack. Rare, high-leverage skills that multiply each other. One skill is survival. 3 is an empire. Skill 1, persuasion, sales, writing, psychology. If you cannot sell, you cannot eat. You are at the mercy of those who can. Skill 2, building, code, content, product. Create things that exist and work for you while you are asleep. The magic happens when you stack them. A builder who can sell is dangerous. A builder who can sell and lead, unstoppable. Stop learning trivia. Stop memorizing facts. Start acquiring leverage. Build a stack that makes you impossible to replace. But this machine needs fuel. If your body fails, your empire falls. You need to hack your biology. Watch part 8. You are trying to run $1 million mind on $10 hardware. It doesn't work. You are crashing your own system. Your body is not a temple. It is a machine. And right now, you are filling the gas tank with sand. Sugar is poison. Processed food is a sedative. Brain fog isn't normal. It is biological sabotage. You cannot outwork a bad diet. You cannot outthink sleep deprivation. Energy is your primary currency. Sleep is not for the weak. It is for the elite. 8 hours is non-negotiable. Lift heavy weights. Eat real food. Physical strength creates mental armor. When you discipline your body, you discipline your mind. They are connected. Your machine is optimized. Your skills are sharp. Now you need to scale. You cannot do it alone. You need a network. Watch part 9. The self-made man is a myth. It is a lie told to keep you isolated and weak. You cannot build an empire with 2 hands. One man is a target. A network is a fortress. Speed comes from leverage, and the ultimate leverage is other people. One introduction can save you 10 years of work. One handshake can be worth more than a lifetime of labor. You need to be in 10 places at once. You can't do that. Your network can. They are your eyes, your ears, and your shield. Stop hanging out with people who drain you. Find people who scare you. People playing a game you don't even understand yet. You need a war council. If you are the smartest person in the room, you are in the wrong room. Find a bigger room. The pieces are set. The trap is escaped. The team is assembled. There is only one thing left to do. Execute. The finale is next. You have the mindset. You have the skills. You have the network. So why are you still watching videos? Trap number 10 is the most subtle of all, the addiction to preparation. You think you are learning. You are just hiding. You don't need another podcast. You don't need another course. You need to do the thing you are terrified of doing. Knowledge without execution is just trivia. Potential without motion is just regret. 0 to 1 is the only math that matters. You are scared. Good. Fear is the compass. It points to exactly where you need to go. Stop waiting for the fear to leave. It won't. Do it scared. Do it broke. Do it uncertain. Just do it. The video is over. The series is done. Your life begins the second you close this tab. Close it and go win.